So, what are some risks or possible side effects after you have a toxin injection? So, the toxin injection itself is a liquid that's going underneath the skin, and so you can sometimes have a very small whelp, kind of like a little mosquito bite. It does go away within about 20 minutes, sometimes sooner than that. Sometimes you can have a little bit of bruising. Hopefully, we can mitigate that with arnica gel and not taking aspirin before your appointments. Sometimes people will report having almost a little bit of a heaviness because they're not used to those muscles not moving like they used to. It's all very, very normal and to be expected. If there's something that is an appearance factor that you're not looking for, if you've ever heard of the Spock look, the brow drop, those are all things that are very easy to return back to their normal resting place, and just giving us a call and we can help take care of that for you.
Yes, we do always try to get everyone to schedule a follow-up with us as well, because by then we'll see if we need to do any corrective units. We don't charge for that in office if we need to lift a brow back up or sink it down or whatever it is that you need. Those areas are really easy to correct, for sure.
Yeah, and the other thing is during this time of year, we want to be really important because Texas has a ton of pollen.
All that oak pollen.
Yes. So anytime you have a little bit of a wound to your skin, those pollens can go in there and it can make you itch more or even cause more swelling. So sometimes we suggest, if you are one of those people that suffer from allergies, to take an antihistamine like Claritin or Zyrtec this time of year.
Yeah, and it can also prevent, every now and then some people can report kind of a rash because they've reacted to the pollens in the air or something like that. And that's usually due to the broken skin, not the actual injections themselves. So it really depends on a variety of factors. Again, like Megan said prior, we tailor every one of our appointments to the client's needs at the time. So you're likely to expect a change in your charges or in the cost of the treatment because you may not need as much, or you may want to add more. We may be adding different areas like a lip flip or the corner DAO injections. So I guess as a simple baseline, what you can expect, our average client spends between $300 and $500 per treatment. Again, that can go up or down depending on the areas that you want treated and that sort of thing.
Yep. At Serendipity, we also won't treat every single area all the time. A lot of times clients will come in and say, this month it's really my crows that are bothering me, so we can just focus on that too.
Right. And sometimes, like just a couple weeks ago, we had a client come in that she was about to take her bridal portraits, and she wasn't bothered by anything other than the lines that show up when she smiles really big, because of course she's taking her wedding photos. So, we can correct very specifically that way as well. All right, so that's it for our Q&A today on toxin injections. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you got some education out of it, and we look forward to seeing you at your appointments. Bye.